Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce and Pedal Mel. Welcome to my channel. This is a sound clip for a Becker exhaust system for a Volvo S80 V8 sedan, and we will give it a shot here and see how it goes. This is inside my garage. We'll go ahead here and give us a shot, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, here's a cold start inside of a parking garage, inside the car with the windows up. Pretty beefy sounding. Now open the window. Alright, now I'm going to do a sound clip from inside the car with all the windows are rolled up, and it's awfully hot in here, but this will give you a good idea. It's not really loud inside the car, and I think it's very tolerable. So we'll go ahead here and fire it up. it's not very loud inside the cabin. Not bad at all. Got a couple raspberries, a couple crackles and pops. But I don't think it's bad at all. It's really tolerable. I even took it on a couple long trips so far with my wife and kid, and it's not bad at all. It's definitely loud when you want it to be. So there you go. Hopefully I helped others out to make a decision, because I know it's not a cheap exhaust system by any means, but I think if you went and had someone build you one all out of stainless, it's going to cost you a heck of a lot more. I paid $775. I probably wouldn't pay any more than $800 for the system personally, but I think if you're planning on keeping the car, it's a good, I shouldn't say an investment, but it definitely makes the car more enjoyable, a little more, to me it feels like I'm in a four-door Mustang, essentially. So all right, so thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys liked that video, and I have some other clips of my impressions of the build quality and everything. Hopefully I can get everything put together in one big montage of the Becker exhaust system, how I feel about it and all that. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, bye now.